I'm Dr. Norbert Gleich, and I'm president of the Foundation for Reproductive Medicine. I would like to invite you to join us for our 5th annual meeting in November here in New York City. And I want to talk to you today about the very special and new pre-program event. And as part of our workshops on the afternoon before the conference starts on Thursday, November 19, we are pleased to be able to announce 2 sequential workshops addressing the issue of freezing, of cryopreservation in general, in very much detail, both on a theoretical as well on a practical hands-on level. This workshop will be presented in 2 separate pieces, with the first one, Professor Pasquale Patrizio from Yale, heading up with Professor Chapman from Cornell University. This will be more or less the theoretical introduction with some practical information shared in parallel. In the second half, in the second workshop, there will be hands-on models, there will be cow eggs available, and you will have all the hands-on experience with tutors who are available to teach you all the intricacies of freezing, whether it is eggs, semen, or tissue. This is the first time that we are planning such a hands-on workshop, and we are expecting considerable interest. So our strong recommendation is that you register early, because we have only very limited capacity. Thank you, and we're looking forward to seeing you in New York City.